also glued to the TV watching it. You guys did a fab job in putting it very clarity with the numbers and everything. So thank you so much, the YouTuber guys. Oh, of course, I can't forget the cameraman. Thank you, sir. You have really captured the event, and you know, these videos and cameras stay with us as memories. So I'm sure we will keep on seeing this whole game of 9 hours that we have played. So thank you so much for telecasting it very beautifully. Thank you so much. And the camera, okay, you can take a photo of mine. Superb, thank you so much. You have also been on the field. I believe you are a team of the CPU team itself, right? Yeah, so very well, you know, nicely done. And let me just come back to that one person who built the thought and, you know, took it completely to the closure, Arjun Monkar. Guys, we need to really, everybody of us need to clap for him. So Arjun had this thought. He built it up himself with his enthusiasm and passion that he has towards this sport. And you know, while he kept on sharing with us, me, Dilnaz, his boss Dixon, and everybody the ideas, we were also not very sure in our normal BAUs and on how we can place all this post-COVID, whether this will be possible, not possible. But I mean, the dedication you had to make this event. You know, you came and you just spoke saying that we will make this gala event, and that's what you made it, yeah. I'm so impressed with you. Very good, and thank you so much for the energy. May I call Yogesh here? Are you free? Okay. I just want to know, Yogesh, you know, while I'm sure you had strategy for finals, and while Mr. Ramesh Ganeshan announced the amount, I'm sure that gave you a little of, yeah?
Motivation for us to play 500% more whatever we are playing. We thought we have to get 20,000. That was our decision after the sir. Otherwise, this match would have not been so thrilling. Thank you so much, sir, to coming and announcing this prize.
Thank you, Mr. Ramesh Ganeshan, for making it more thrilling, sir. So, I just want to know a little from you, Yogesh, in this last power, you know, over that there. I just want to know what strategy that you made that, you know, actually, so excluding Pranav as your strategy, what is the other strategy that you made?
We told to everybody that we want to take that 20,000, that's it, and we want to take this trophy only. Because last time we had won, we wanted to continue the same momentum which we all are doing. We came here, practice, it's entirely team effort. The entire team played one. The last day, yesterday also we came here, we made a practice. Never we thought about this money, we wanted to win this trophy, that was our motive. And entire, it is a completely team effort.
Thank you. Now, before you leave, I also want to know what are you going to do of 20,000? So I want to know how are you going to spend that 20?
We will keep. Not yet decided. Not yet decided. I will speak to my boss and then we will take a decision for it.
Oh, where is your boss? Your boss did not come, so you don't need to speak to your boss, yeah?
He has entirely watched the entire
he has been virtually present for you under COVID thing?
Yes.
Good. Congratulations, team. Congratulations once again, CPU team. Can I invite the banking contact center team captain? Arjun Monkar. Wonderful. Superbly played, Arjun. And just tell us a little of the last, you know, the final match and the last over that happened.
Nothing I could say much, you know. I don't know, you have to bear with my voice. But again, you know, it is cricket. And someone will win and someone will lose. And we gave our best. And I'm proud of my boys, you know, reaching this level with so energy. So I'm proud of you all, guys.
I want to know from you also. So you're going to be the winner of 10,000 again, which is not a small amount. So you can, I mean, you can share it with me also. What are your plans to do with that 10,000?
I don't know. These guys will decide now. I don't know. The moment I'm out of the turf, what is going to happen, I'm not aware of.
Oh,
so these all guys are ready now.
In good terms or bad terms with you?
Okay. Obviously in good terms.
Sure. Good job and good play, banking contact center team. Thank you, Arjun.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll start with the felicitation. Do we have, Arjun, all the categories name? Can I get the categories name? Just hold it for me. No, we'll take it there. We'll take it there. We'll put it here. camera is here. So can I also invite Mr. Jambekar and Carl and everybody to come here and be with us? We'll announce the winner for the best bowler and the best batsman for throughout the series, and who earns an a cash prize of 2,500 each. The best bowler goes to Sanjay from Banking Contact Center team. Get the trophy. Yes, sir. For him. Congratulations, Sanjay. Lovely. The best batsman for the series goes again to the young boy, Pranay from CPU Contact Center team. Yes. Congratulations, Pranay. Excellent. We go for the, which is there? We go for the next. Best, is he there? Okay, we have the next award, which goes for the best catch throughout the series, and it goes again to Rohan from the CPU team. Congratulations, Rohan. Now for we'll go for the trophies now, and we'll go with the runner-up team of the finalists. Can I please invite one by one? I'll call the names. Please come, and you will be getting a medal, and then just collect behind Mr. Sameshan so that we can we can have a trophy given to you. We'll start with the captain. Arjun, can you please come in? No. Okay. Come, banking team, come together. Nikhil Gadi, please come in. I'll just take the name. You can come. Nikhil Gadi, Dharmendra, Dharmesh, Rizwan, Abhishek Vora, Sagar Sona, come Sylvester, good play Sylvester, Jerome, next, Sanjay, walk in, Vicky Shinde, yeah, Vicky Shinde, Sunny Singh, Siddesh, yeah, Siddesh, come. Congratulations, banking team. Superb. Good play. Can the team also come forward and take the trophy, please, for the runner-up trophies? Come, guys. Banking team, come forward. Come forward, banking team. Sylvester, Abhishek, Sunny, Rizwan, everybody. Congratulations. Thank you. Good night, guys. And now for for that sparkling moment of the evening. 52 matches played, 9 hours of sweat, some words exchanged with each other, but yet at the end, the smiles of everything. The CPU winner team, one by one, please come ahead. We'll start with Yogesh, the captain. Please come. Congratulations, Yogesh. Come here, Yogesh. You'll have to tell me the name. Who's the next person? Sachin, can you come forward? Next. Pranay, can you come forward? Yes. Rohan, can you come forward? Indrajit. Indrajit. Nikhil Gupta. Oh, you were really there in that board saying that ye run wide nahi hai, ye nahi hai, huh? You were playing Pakistan with us, with the banking contact center team. Huh? Who's the next person will come? Sameer, come. Naseem, come ahead. Sudhir, come ahead. Rajesh, could you also come ahead? Yeah. There's the trophy. Lovely, congratulations. And there's the throne that is coming for you. The throne, the crown, the everything. There is a championship also. Guys, come forward. You don't want it? I can happily take it, guys, with my team. Come forward, please, and take away the trophy. Woo! Let's cheers for CPU team. Can we have some photos full of spirit? Wow! Superb. That's the noise of the winning team. Yogesh, your face is not... yeah, okay, yeah. Just a minute, we'll just finish it 2 minutes, sir. Come on, give poses for our India team tomorrow. Woo! Lovely. Okay, while you guys, I'm sure the night will be also short for you to celebrate. Yeah, so thank you once again. I would really... yeah, thank you once again, sir. Thank you so much for your presence, sir. Yeah. Thank you, Carl, once again for joining.